If you're happy and you know it, do a spin. If you're happy and you know it, do a spin. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, do a spin.
Hey, 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 I have to tell you something. Look, you're adopted.
Got you off your knees, but you right back on your feet, just so you can take advantage of me. Tell me, how's it feel sitting on
Mommy, this is from Daddy, from Grandma, this is from the mailman, it's from Daddy.
This is an Uber Doggo. Uber Doggo has raffle stumps, a whack-a-whip, a sniffer boop, big ear flop-flops, and of course the nom-noms. Uber Doggo will kick your butt.
Why are there holes in the yard? Did you dig them? Who do you think did? I mean, obviously it was you. You're the only one that can dig a hole that size. Mika, yes you did.
Your belly's gonna hurt. You ate this and now your belly's gonna hurt. No, you're gonna have an upset stomach. Why did you do this? Why did you eat Mom's chocolate? Why? Why did you do this?
Do you have anything else to say?